Welcome to another ShiftSetGo cooking show. Today we are going to be making broccomole. So if you have been missing your guacamole, this is a fantastic alternative, great for stage 1. So we're going to start with 3 cups of steamed broccoli. So I already cooked this ahead of time, chopped it up finely because we are going to be blending this up. I'm going to be putting everything in our Vitamix blender here. So we've got 3 cups of broccoli. And then we're going to add in all the rest of our ingredients. We have 2 ounces of silkened tofu. Don't skip this because it's going to really help give it that avocado texture that it's missing. We've got some jalapenos. And I would add that too, even if you don't like spicy, because it's going to be too bland without it. We've got some green onions. We've got some olive oil, some salt and pepper, so just to whatever taste you want. Just got a little bit of that. And then we have some chili powder and some garlic powder here. And last but not least, a little bit of cilantro. Then I'm just going to mix this up. It really doesn't take too long just to get that good guacamole consistency. All right. I've blended up the broccomole here, so we have a nice serving size, and you can enjoy it with some ShiftSetGo Ranch chips. It would give you 1 shift meal serving, and then this comes to 3 cups of veggies, or if you wanted to add in some onion or tomatoes, you could make it your whole day of veggies with this combo meal together here. So I hope that you enjoy and you try out this broccomole. Let us know in the comments how you liked it, and we will see you for our next cooking video.